Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you a brand new speed clean with me video and bringing you some intense cleaning motivation. I'm starting off here in the living dining room, but I definitely need to vacuum underneath the table, clean the actual table and get everything set up so it's ready for lunch later. Also, I want to tackle our windows. So many fingerprints. If you guys are new, welcome. First of all, my name is Brittany. I am a mama of 4, so our house gets very, very messy. It looks okay right here, but other areas of the house, as you will see, are very messy. We're going to be getting a lot done today. Lots of motivation for you. Also, today's video is in collaboration with Lululemon, so you might notice I'm wearing some of my new Lululemon gear, which I'm really excited about. So comfortable, so like snug and secure, and these leggings are just buttery soft. So really excited to be working with them on today's video. And I'm also going to change partway through because I wanted to be able to not just show you guys kind of the new stuff that I've got, but also show it in action and how comfortable it is and be able to talk from experience. So I'm going to give you guys a full review later on in the video, but let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I've got a lot to get done. So first off, dining room table. There's nothing quite like a fresh, clean, shiny dining room table, am I right? I love having that last little bit, like all of the surfaces clean. It just makes the room sparkle. Now, I told you guys I was going to share with you some of these new pieces that I got from Lululemon, so I just want to call out the different ones that I'm wearing. So the pants, these are the Align pant, and I've got them in the full 28-inch length. Just for size reference, I'm about 5'5" and about 115 pounds. So if that does anything for length and size and stuff. But these they hug every curve. They're literally the pants that are so buttery, soft, and smooth that it feels like you're not even wearing your workout gear, but it does definitely suck you in, holds in the tummy, which I really appreciate. They pass the squat test. They don't go see-through, which I really also appreciate. Also, I will say, watching this footage back, I don't often see myself in workout clothes. Usually I'm only, in a sports bra and leggings when I'm on the stair stepper or the elliptical at the gym, sweating it out, but be nice, guys. Be nice. And the bra that I'm wearing is the Energy bra. This is so comfortable. I did size up in this just because I don't like my bras to be too tight in the shoulder area. I always feel like that can interfere with tension and stuff that I carry in my shoulders. So the bra is just sized up from my normal size. And I think I got an 8 in the sports bra, and then it's a 4 in the Align pant. As you guys can see here, I've been trying out that new Dyson vacuum. I'm using it again here. Really just trying to learn how to best use these different attachments. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see a full review on this new vacuum. A lot of you guys know that I picked it up on Black Friday. We were kind of saving to update some of our big cleaning tools for Black Friday when they had them on sale, and this was one of those purchases. But I'm still learning it. I'm still trying to figure out how I like to use it best. For cleaning this fireplace, it was amazing because there was so much dirt, just dust, and we don't really use the fireplace other than just in the winter time, and it's a gas fireplace, so it gets super, super dusty, and this was so overdue. It's almost embarrassing looking at how dirty this fireplace was, but using a vacuum, I think, to just suck away all the dust in those hard to reach areas, and then being able to go in and actually spray it all down and shine it all up, it really made it look a lot better. But this was a long project. Actually, this part of my cleaning, this took a lot longer than I was thinking. I actually had some laundry that I still needed to fold that I didn't get to because this took quite a while, but it was so worth it. And having it all nice and shiny, one of those areas that you see all the time, you don't really notice how bad it is until you start looking at it and you're like, ooh. But having it clean now is awesome.
afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
If you guys are curious about some of the plants that I've got in our bedroom, the first one that I was watering there was my avocado plant. I actually planted that one from a seed from an avocado that we were eating. And then the one that's hanging in the back, I think it's called a pothos. It's one of those that just kind of travels down. And then I've got that hanging in a macrame plant hanger. So I will link my plant hanger tutorial if you guys want to make one of those. It's really the best way that you can incorporate plants into your home, but also keep them out of reach of like pets or the kids. So I would highly recommend making one of those. Here I was opening up some actually purchases that I had made on Black Friday. These were just a few like polar fleece zip-ups for the kids. Kaylee's really excited to see hers. I really like to get them new coats, like update them every couple years or so, because when they're wearing them every single day, they really get, like, the seams get ripped, they get holes in them, they get really dirty. So I do like to update their coats and then also their little fleece zip-ups every couple of years or so. Most of the time I can hand them down. These were like, less than $5 a piece, maybe like 3 something each after the coupons and stuff I had. So I was pretty excited about those. And I went ahead and I changed so you guys could check out a new outfit. This is what I would typically wear at the gym. So these are the Wonder Underpants, and again, they're in the full length. And I've got those on with just a regular t-shirt. I typically, when I'm working out at the gym, I'll wear, a t-shirt and leggings, a sports bra underneath. And then if I'm like totally sweating and I'm doing my cardio, usually I'll take off my top while that doesn't sound good. Usually I'll take off my t-shirt and just get a little more ventilation. Once I cool down, I pop it back on. But this is just what you'd typically catch me in at the gym. If I were to compare these to the Align pant, they're a little bit more, like they suck you in a little bit more, and they're more of a slick material. So they're definitely great for things like cardio, and the fabric of them is meant to be used on, like if you are cycling or you're doing a lot of cardio, versus the Align pants are better for like super, super free movement, like buttery, smooth, like you can't even tell that you're wearing them. But if you were to do that in the Align pant, I think the fabric wouldn't hold up quite as well. It's not as durable as these Wonder Unders. I love both of them. I don't think I could pick one that I like better than the other, but they're just kind of for different purposes. So I think for myself, I'll probably be using the Wonder Unders more for just general working out, because I'm usually doing cardio, but more on like a stretch day, or if you do yoga or Pilates, then the Align pants are amazing. Both of them, I can't talk highly enough about them. I really just like how they fit, how they feel, and yeah. I've got another new cleaning tool to share with you guys here, and this was my first time ever using a steam mop. I had heard so many good things about these, and a lot of you in the comments of my community tab on my channel, a lot of you guys had said that you love your steam mop, that it's been like the best purchase you made. So of course, when I saw them go on sale, another Black Friday deal, when I saw them go on sale, I had to pick one up and just see what the hype was about. And so far, I've used it a few times since filming this video. So far, I love it. You just fill it with water, plug it in, it heats up, and it's a quick way to just dust and clean. Oh, you want your bar?
Hi.
That's Kaylee. She's sitting here with me. You want your bar right now? Do you want to watch me clean with the steam mop? Yeah. Can we just take a little break for a moment to just say thank you all so much. Thank you so much for all the support, watching my videos, giving them a thumbs up, leaving comments, all that you guys do to enable me to be a stay-at-home or work-from-home mom. The fact that I can stay home with my kids, that Kaylee can be sitting here next to me while I'm doing this, and that I'm able to clean my own house with my kids for a living, it's just amazing. So I just want to say thank you so much to every single one of you who is listening right now, who is watching. I'm sending hugs and love your way. Thank you guys.
Just want us to survive. We can scream and shout, but I know just what you want. You know just what I need. Even when we go down together. 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 We go down together. We go down together. We have come this far. Arguments and scars. No one we can take. But I know just what you want. You know just what I need. Even when we go down together. Even when we go down together. 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 Even when we go down together. Even when we go.
Well guys, that's going to be it for this clean with me. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to check out my cleaning playlist, which I'll have linked down below. And also check out Lululemon if you liked any of the activewear that I showed in this video. They are super, super comfortable and definitely worth the investment. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys!